jingnap ki pulit ka ribhoy ya ka wei ka playong badan bom IED ha ka plau yeng uba ne lang lingdo Umsning kala penher sengiu ki babun ki palta Umsning kane ka jingja kala ja ka pon nyau beje tam janmin ba ki pulit kila yo jingte pat motor kila poisha kani ka jaka pan pelong ya ka jing token halor kani ka jinglap ya ka tei ka playong la 1.2 ki bomb squad bat ki he pulit ka ribhoy ki ba la don lang ban token da ka jingwan poi ki bomb squad la la pan pilip ni pendo no yo tei bom ID ban numbo jingma ne bathai ka bala pan kata la da amlap ha ka por ka bapyang na kalyang he pulit ka ribhoy VS Rathor ru ula pentikna ba udei ubom ID bat ki pulit ki dang pelong ya ka jing toket benya bat la subaru ya ki briew ba wan bo ba shen kin sa shakem no mador kombala pentikna do teu he pulit ka ribhoy
हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड जुगाड़ देखो तो कोई साइड पे मिल जाए तो ये चाहिए ना सैंडबैग नीचे छोड़ दे सैंडबैग कभी रखे ना लोग ना हाँ हाँ देखो ना हाँ हाँ सही ना सही ना वो वहाँ का दिक्कत होगा Plastic है ना? कुछ नहीं रहेगा। Show sir this message. No.
At 7:30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The khlain squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDBS team, and we have seized all the materials and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible.
So right now, sir, which means no arrests have been made so far.
Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight.
Sir, since as we can like hear that this is a house of one of the well-known in Umsning area and River district also.
Yes, yes.
So according to your like, is there any suspects or something, sir? Like
Of course,
why this proposal has been?
It's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.